Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
We invite you to join us in the middle of February for the free Ag PhD corn workshop. We're going to talk about everything that there is when it comes to corn production.
Well, there are a lot of challenges to raising high-yielding corn, really profitable corn, one of them being disease control. And there are a lot of different diseases that hit the corn crop last year. We've got to be prepared for this coming year. So we'll talk about just understanding some of those diseases, which ones could become a problem again this year, and how to stop them.
We're seeing a lot more resistance to different herbicides, even in corn. So we'll talk about how to improve weed control on your farm.
Obviously, fertility is always a big issue with corn. How much do you actually need of this expensive fertilizer?
We're going to talk insect control as well. It's below ground pests, it's above ground pests. There are constantly bugs trying to attack your crop.
And just understanding overall corn growth and development. At what stages do we want to do some of these important things that we're doing to manage this crop to get the most yield and the best return on investment?
So we've got all that and a lot more. It's the free Ag PhD Corn Workshop. It's coming up the middle of February. We'd love to have you join us in person. It'll be right on our farm near Baltic, South Dakota at the Morton Center. So this is the site of the Ag PhD Field Day. We can hold hundreds of people there. We'll give you a free agronomy book when you attend, a great meal, and you'll get the chance to ask us any question that you've got when it comes to corn production. But if you can't attend in person, we will have a live stream available for our Ag PhD magazine subscribers. So you can just go to agphdinsider.com to learn more about the magazine, or go to agphd.com to learn more about the Ag PhD Corn Workshop or any of our other events.
Or you can just keep listening to this show to learn more about controlling our weed of the week. Can you identify this week's weed?